Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Maserati. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This Maserati is a great value with less than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt, force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and roof rails.